Okay, let's talk about private calls in ESChat. So we're going to start off on our contact list. So we have an iPhone 10 and a Samsung Galaxy S10, both starting off on their contact lists. And private calls we can do in two different modes. We could do what's called a barge call, which is the one that you're most familiar with, where we select an individual and press push to talk and the call just barges through. We also have the option to do what we call an alert call, which gives the recipient a chance to answer. So let's start with a private alert call. So on the iPhone, I'm going to select the Galaxy S10, and then I'm going to press the I button to the right, and there's an option to do an alert call. So I select it, and the S10 begins to ring and gives me the option to answer. And if I answer, it puts us into a private call. Let's go ahead and end that call. And now let's take a look at it from the perspective of the Galaxy. So in Android, we don't have the I button. We have the notion of a long press. So we'll select our recipient and then hold down the user for a full second, and we'll get a secondary menu. And there's our alert call option. And now we've got the call coming into the iPhone. We'll answer it, and now we're back in a private call again. And then to leave the call on Android, if we hit the swipe, we can leave the call. Barge calling is a little bit easier in that we do it right from the push to talk button. So here, we still have the Android selected. I'll just go ahead and press push to talk, and it barges us into call. Initiating the barge call from the Android is the same. We just select the recipient, press push to talk, and the call comes through. So that's an overview of private calls in ESChat.
That was good.